USS John C. Stennis, a pillar of security and balance in the Arabian Gulf. In the strategically challenging waters of the Arabian Gulf, USS John C. Stennis, CVN 74, is a symbol of American strength, courage and humanity. An impressive Nimitz-class aircraft carrier, USS John C. Stennis not only represents America's dominating military power, but also offers critical assistance in emergency situations and provides security assurance for allies and partners in the region. USS John C. Stennis' presence in the Arabian Gulf is not just about displaying military might, but also about strengthening regional stability and human well-being. With superior capabilities in carrying advanced fighter aircraft and powerful defense systems, the ship is a key guardian of security in the region. Military operations in the Arabian Gulf are not free from complex and diverse threats. In the face of these challenges, USS John C. Stennis is at the center of joint military exercises with U.S. allies and partners in the region. This not only enhances interoperability between naval forces, but also sends a strong message of readiness and unity in the face of multiple security threats. However, the role of USS John C. Stennis is not just limited to the military aspect. With its advanced equipment, the aircraft carrier also plays an important role in conducting reconnaissance and surveillance in the Arabian Gulf. Advanced sensors and intelligence systems support vital reconnaissance operations for the national security of the U.S. and its allies, and make an important contribution to conflict prevention and potential threat detection. Amidst the military might on display, USS John C. Stennis also stands ready to provide assistance in humanitarian situations in the Arabian Gulf. In emergencies such as natural disasters or armed conflicts, the ship can be used as a platform to deliver critical medical and logistical assistance to those in need, reinforcing the United States' important role in supporting humanitarianism and regional stability. As such, USS John C. Stennis is not only a guardian of security in the Arabian Gulf, but also a symbol of hope and protection for those in need in this challenging region.